Hello everyone, and welcome to Power Pages Tips. My name is Nicholas Hayduk, and this is tip number 351, File Icons in VS Code. Continuing our series on the Power Platform Tools extension for VS Code, in this tip, we'll look at the Power Pages specific icons included as part of the extension. Before we dive into the details, don't forget to subscribe to the Engineered Code YouTube channel for our weekly tips, monthly community calls, and lots of other Power Pages and Power Platform content. One nice visual enhancement that you get while working with Power Pages sites in VS Code, if you have the Power Platform Tools extension installed, are icons specific to Power Pages. You'll see that folders like lists, advanced forms, basic forms, and web pages have special icons when you have a Power Pages site open in VS Code. You have the option to choose the icons as part of the installation of the extension. Choose Power Apps Portals icons. If you want to select them later, you could either use the Set File Icon Theme button on the extension details page, or go to File, Preferences, Themes, File Icon Theme. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found the Power Pages tip number 351 on file icons in VS Code useful.